Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of an mystery Amazon electronics box, Amazon mystery box. My brother bought this. He paid somewhere between 100 and 150 US dollars for this box from some very random website online that he can no longer find. The website just kind of disappeared out of existence. But so this is a mystery box of random electronics. I believe, I might be wrong in this, I believe these are like returns that Amazon got, and then somehow other websites sell them. These are usually apparently end up as scams, and people usually not end up getting the boxes they pay for. But this time he did. It took him a month and a half to actually receive this box. But yeah, here it is. So thankfully he actually got it. So again, 150 bucks. So let's see what's all in here. He already looked through it. That's why the box is open. But let's go ahead and check this out. So first off, we have some headphones, some P9 headphones. Of course, no, this is really going to be name brand stuff. It's all Amazon stuff. So we got some headphones. I don't know what those normally go for. I don't know what any of this stuff is going to go for. So all this is very weird. Like this, sunset lamp. I actually like sunset lamps. I actually have two of them. Alarm clocks. Not like this. This is like a little robot dude. It's like staring into your soul. Oh, that's kind of creepy. Thought it was like hair. That's not hair. Yeah, so this is a sunset lamp. That's something. We have a A9 HD battery IP camera. So I think that's just a tiny little camera, right? I'm not even sure what that is. Pretty sure it's a camera though. White. It's a white one. And you all can tell me what all that means, because I have no idea. Except for HY or WDR. Is that Internet Explorer? So far, this is some weird stuff. Alright, then we got some true wireless Bluetooth sunglasses, which is actually really cool. And it looks like they're black. Black. Which is really cool. Look cool. Powered by Lenovo. Let's see if we can get that to focus in there. Powered by Lenovo. That is really cool. If that will focus. There we go. So that I am actually excited to check out. That is actually really cool. I know, well, Lenovo should be good. I mean, Lenovo is a good brand. I know it's not from Lenovo itself, but those things look really cool though. I think Bose makes some. I'm sure they're nothing like Bose, but still. Then we got some VRG virtual reality glasses, which is really freaking cool. I have been thinking about buying a set of these on Amazon. I don't know what brand this is. I mean, I think it's VR. No, that's not a brand. I don't know what brand this is. So it's made in China, of course. Who knows what brand this is? I do not know. They are. I thought I said white. I think it says WAC. These should be really cool. And I don't know if I already said this or not. I think a lot of this stuff is just returns people did not want, which probably means it's not such good stuff. This is actually name brand. Dell optical mouse. That looks like a very basic optical mouse. Looks like it's wired. That's not too exciting like this other stuff. Floating desktop phone stand. Sort of see through there. Available in 4 colors. I don't know what color this is. I'm guessing that is white. Yeah, it's white. So that is pretty basic as well, but it is cool. A couple more things in there. We got Think Plus Bluetooth version speaker K30. That's actually pretty sweet. See how loud that gets. Bluetooth 5.0 it looks like, so that's cool. Oh, this is Lenovo. I just noticed that right there. Yeah. I'm not the best with perception, I guess. So that's really cool. Put that right there. Put everything else on the floor. Nothing else in there except for a random manual or piece of paper or whatever. Then this is a bracelet. That is lightning adapter. I do believe that is a lightning adapter. I really don't know what the point of this is. Is that USB? I think that'd be right. USB, right? Y'all can tell me what that is for. But that is actually pretty sweet. Because even just as a bracelet, it's pretty cool looking bracelet. Man, that's not how you wear a bracelet, but still. Yeah, so that's all the stuff we got. I don't know if that's really worth 100, 150 bucks. You can all let me know, especially if it's already been opened. But yeah, I mean, it's not the worst. We were expecting worse things. I've heard of people getting, well, nothing for one. And then I've heard of people getting just like random, like my brother said, some people were getting keyboard parts, like just keyboard keys, stuff like that for these $100, $150 packages. Again, the website's just gone. It just disappeared apparently. So I'm sure it's probably not the safest thing to buy from. Y'all let me know what you think. I think it's actually not a bad haul. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.